Hi.
Welcome to Daily Dose of Why. Today, we have 20 riddles that will test your brain's speed. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for new quiz videos. Let's begin. What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. You've got to crack it open before breakfast begins. I'm tall when I'm young, and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle, burning bright until it melts away. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock, always watching the time but never moving itself. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? A stamp, stuck in place but flying with every letter. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. The harder it works, the wetter it becomes. The more of this you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? Footsteps. Every step forward leaves a mark behind you. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano, unlocking music, not doors. What belongs to you, but is used more by others? Your name. Everyone says it more than you ever could. What has many teeth but can't bite? A comb. It straightens hair, not meals. What has one eye but can't see? A needle, sharp and useful, but completely blind. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? An echo, your voice's ghost in the air. What runs but never walks, has a bed but never sleeps. A river, always flowing, never resting. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. What am I? A hole, empty space that grows as you dig. I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Fire, it breathes, it feeds, and it consumes. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light, invisible yet powerful. It fills every corner. I have cities, but no houses, mountains, but no trees, water, but no fish. What am I? A map, a world on paper, full of everything but life. I'm seen in the water, but never get wet. What am I? A reflection, there in the surface, never in the depth. The person who makes it sells it. The person who buys it never uses it. What is it? A coffin, crafted for others, never for the living. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M, silent, small, yet everywhere in time. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? Fire. Fierce and living, it devours whatever it touches.